Good morning everyone. Today we are going to study about the IUPAC nomenclature of the organic compounds. The name given by the International Union of Practical and Applied Chemistry. So before starting the nomenclature, we will study that what are the name of the different carbons. If the number of carbon in the compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, then what we will call. So if the number of carbon and their name, if the number of carbon is 1, it will be called meth. If the number of carbon is 2, it's called 8, 3, pro, 4, but, 5, pent, 6, hex, 7, hept, 8, oct, 9, non, and 10, date. Then this is the name for the different carbons. Now we are going to see the name for the functional group. What are the prefix or suffix are used for the different functional groups. So see here, if the functional group is double bond, carbon double bond, then there is no prefix for it. The suffix is ene, E-N-E. In the case when there is a triple bond, there will be no prefix, and again the suffix will be ine, Y-N-E. In the case of halogen X, where X is representing fluorine, chlorine, bromine or iodine, there is a prefix, no suffix, and the prefix is halo. Halo is a generalized term. That means if there is a fluorine, it will be fluoro. In the case of chlorine, it will be chloro. In the case of bromine, bromo, and iodine, it will be iodine. Now the next one, alcoholic group, OH. The prefix is hydroxy and suffix is ol, OL. In the case of aldehyde, the prefix is oxy and suffix is ul. Sometimes instead of the oxy, we can also write the aldo, like something. In the case of ketone, again the prefix is oxy or keto or oxa, whatever you want to write, and the suffix is on. And in these of the cases, the suffix is the prior one. So this is the sum of the functional group and their prefix and suffix. Some other functional group and their prefix and suffix are: in the case of functional group NH2, the prefix will be amino and suffix will be amine. In the case of CONH2, it is amide. In the case of cyanide, CN, it is the cyanide or nitrile. If you are counting the carbon of the CN, it will be nitrile, and if you are not counting the carbon of the CN, then it will be cyanide. The next one is COOH, carboxylic acid group, which have suffix oic acid. This is not the only नंबर ऑफ द फंक्शनल ग्रुप. इतने ही फंक्शनल ग्रुप नहीं है, इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे फंक्शनल ग्रुप होते हैं, लेकिन हमने सिर्फ इतने ही फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स को यहाँ पे मेंशन किया हुआ है. इसके अलावा जो भी जहाँ जरूरत पड़ेगी उसे हम वहाँ पे डिस्कस करते रहेंगे. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द IUPAC nomenclature from alkane, the simple alkane, unbranched alkane. So how we will name an alkane? Alkane means those of the compound which have no any functional group and only carbon single bond is there. There is no carbon double or carbon triple bond. So in this case, you can see this is the compound CH4. What will be the name? The name will be in the way alk plus ene. There will be no functional group, so there is no any need of the positioning the functional group. So here, what is the number of carbon? 1. So it is meth plus ene, that is the methane. The first letter will be a capital letter and all the other capital letters must be small letters. When you will see this compound, that is the CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH2. What is the number of carbons here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 carbon means pent plus ene, that is the pentane. So with the 5 carbon, it is pent plus ene, that is the pentane. Clear? If it is a cyclic system, We are considering that this is the system. Total number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what will be the names? We will just prefix the term cyclo. So it is the cyclo. Total number of carbon 6. So hex plus it is an alkane. So ane. So cyclohexane. We are taking one more example. If it is the compound, again the system is cyclic, and how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then what will be the name? It will be cyclo, and it is a cyclic compound having 4 carbon, but plus ane. So it is a cyclobutane. So this is the way of the naming of these of the compound. ये सबसे आसान कंपाउंड्स हैं, कोई ब्रांच नहीं है, कोई फंक्शनल ग्रुप नहीं है, तो सीधे सीधे सिर्फ नंबर का कार्बन लगाइए, नंबर ऑफ कार्बन लगाइए और साथ में इन को सफिक्स कर दीजिए. दिस इज एनफ फॉर द नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ सच कंपाउंड. देन दिस इज द एल्केन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू name those of the alkanes which have the branches, branched alkane. So in the case of the branched alkane, how we will name the compound? The name will be alkyl alkane. That means if you have to write the name, first you will write the name of the branch, then the name of the main chain, and along with that you will position the branch, where is the branch is situated. If I am taking a specific example to explain the compound, this is the CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2 and CH3. Then first of all, which of the chain will be the main chain? जूनियर क्लास में आपने ऑलरेडी पढ़ लिया है कि द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन इज कंसीडर्ड एज अ मेन चेन, बट एक्चुअली दैट विच चेन विल बी द मेन चेन विच इज द लॉन्गेस्ट हैविंग मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप. सो विच इज द मेन चेन विच इज कंटेनिंग द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ फंक्शनल ग्रुप. हियर दिस चेन 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the longest chain. Now from which of the side we will number, whether we will start from the left side or from the right side. For this one a rule works that is called the least count rule. The numbering will be from that side from where the count is least. Even in this case, when you will see the methyl group is on position number 1 2 3, and from the right hand side it is again 1 2 3. That means on both the side it is identical, so you can number from any of the side. So it is position number 1 2 3 4 and 5. And where is the methyl group? On the position number 3. So first of all you will number the alkyl group, that is the 3. After numer and alphabet there will be a hyphen. Afterward L, that is the number of carbons in branch, that is the main, plus YL, that is the methyl. Now main chain, how many carbons are there in the main chain? There are total 5 carbons, so it is pentane. So it is methyl pentane, 3 methyl pentane. I think it's clear to all of you. Now see this compound, which is the main chain. Then 1 2 3 4 5 carbon atom, 1 2 3 4 carbon atom, and 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 carbon atom. So this is the longest chain. So I am just marking it. And in this main chain we will number, either we can start from here or from here. From which of the side we will start? From this side 1 2 3 4, on the 4th position there is a methyl group, and from this side 1 2 3 on the 3rd position. So surely the number least count is coming from this side. So 1 2 3 4 5 Where is the methyl group? On the position number 3. So 3 methyl. Now the name of the main chain, that is the hexane. There will be no space in between these terms, and there will be hyphen in between alphabet and numeral. Now we are going to see a cyclic compound. So here the compound, which one is the main chain? This one have only 2 carbon and the cycle have the 6 carbon. So cycle is the main chain. And this is the branch. Where is the branch? In the case of the cyclic system, if only one group is attached, so the number will start from the position where the group is attached. So there is no need to give the position of the system to position of the branch. So here this is the ethyl. Just write the ethyl. And now the main chain, which is cyclic by the nature. So cyclohexane. Ethyl cyclohexane. We are taking one more example. If this is the compound, in this way, what will be the name? Again, these two are the branches having 2 carbon each, and this is the main chain containing maximum number of attachments. Here we can't call the alkyl group as a functional group. So from where we will start the numbering? Either from here or from here. So we have numbered it. Now we will position these of the alkyl groups. As both the alkyl groups are identical, so we can number at same place. So it is on the position number 1 and 2. There will be comma in between 2 numerals. So 1 comma 2, then hyphen. 2 ethyls are there, so we can write di-ethyl. And now the main chain, which is cyclic. So it is the cyclobutane. So this is the name for the system. You can practice with the help of the alphabets from E to Z, capital letters, कोरी स्ट्रक्चर. लेकिन जब बी लेटर लिखिएगा तो बाईसाइक्लो कंपाउंड हो जाता है, तो बी को आप स्मॉल बी लिखिए इंस्टेड ऑफ कैपिटल बी. It's enough for today. We will meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.